Hi guys, welcome to Passion Hair Boutique. I'm so excited about this video. This video is about how you'll define your curls. As usual, first we'll go in by making sure that we section the hair and then detangle the hair the right way. If you want to know how to do it the right way, then we've got different videos. So if you just go through our playlist, then you'll see different videos on how you can detangle your hair as well as blow dry your natural hair. I want to make a point, guys. I did not put anything at all in her hair. So when I washed her hair, all I did was to go straight in. I did not use any other products at all, because what I'm trying to do is reduce the amount of built up of product. The good thing with this gel, I did not get any flakes or built up. Also, a next point I want to mention is that once I've done her hair where I've put the gel in, for the whole 3 weeks that she's been wearing the hairstyle, I have not used any more gel. Now I want you to look closely what I did. So what I did, as you can see, I sectioned the hair, put the gel on, and then I comb through that section with the gel. Then I take very small section and I twist it around my finger. See, it's a small section, literally twisted. So as you can see, I've twisted and there's no curls at all. Do not feel discouraged. Over time, you will see your curls starting to define. Hi guys, sorry, I forgot to mention the gel that we use is the Nyxon gel. I'm so sorry. Use the exact same procedure right throughout the hair. I'm gonna add some more gel to the ends just to make it a bit more defined. So the more products you use on it is the more definition you'll get. But bear in mind, the more product you use, you'll have to wait for it to dry a lot longer. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely gorgeous. So then we'll just twist it in the same direction. So I've done the very back. Look how beautiful that is. So it's a lot more defined in respect to what it looked like before. How beautiful is that? Absolutely gorgeous. Nice and defined. And next point I need to mention, guys, is that the bits that we haven't done yet, which is at the front, but to spray the hair again just to make sure that it's wet, and then you go in with the gel just to create the definition. When you need to wash this gel out, make sure the hair is completely wet. Stand underneath your shower and wash the gel out first. So we're going to carry on to the sides, and we finished the sides, as you can see. Now we're focusing on the top. So I went in with the spray bottle, detangle the hair, and then after I apply the gel. So there it is, I'm applying the gel. That section was too big, so I went in with a smaller section, and then I just twist it. Obviously, because it's wet, you haven't got that fullness at the minute, but as time goes by, I'll say probably about 3 days, then you'll see it start getting full. But wait until the end of the video, then you'll be able to see more of what we're referring to. It has been 1 week since I've done her hair, so you can see what it looks like after a week. So it's a lot more fuller. It is shorter because it has shrunk, so it's a lot more shorter. There's more of a shape to it, so to speak. But because we've just taken our scarf off, what you'd realize is that it was more stick to her head, so you just have to try and use your finger, just move it around a bit. Ideally, the best thing before you're trying to do any movement is to spray it with some water. It doesn't need to be wet, just damp, so that you can soften the curls up a bit so that there's more movement to the style. So we'll allow her to shake it so that she can get more movement, more fullness, and also see how the hair falls, which is very important. So I'm going to spray the hair with some water. I'm not using a lot of water, just a small amount, just to soften our curls a bit. We don't want it dripping wet, please. You don't want it dripping wet, just to loosen up the curls so that we've got more flexibility with the hair so that we can move it around. So I'm just getting a hairband and just secure it at the very top. Then I'm just rolling the top there just to create a bun effect, and then get some bobby pins just to secure it in place. So yes, so that's what it looks like. So you can create a different look to what you normally have, because before she had it all coming down in her face. So like week 1 or week 2, you could just create that different look. Week 3 now, pin both sides up and just create a slightly different look. Use the bobby pin to pin both sides. Guys, please subscribe. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Leave a comment. Press the like button, guys, if you like this video. Thank you so much. Have a fantastic day. Bye.